Have you ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini are able to perform such a wide variety of tasks, from summarizing an article to generating code or analyzing spreadsheets, all with what feels like human-level understanding? It almost seems like magic, but there's a powerful technology working quietly in the background that makes this possible. It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. While it sounds technical and complicated, its purpose is surprisingly simple: to help AI models communicate clearly and efficiently with the outside world's apps, tools, and data, using a shared standard. Think of MCP as the universal language or the connector that helps AI interact with everything else in your digital life. With MCP, developers can build once, and it just works across many different platforms and tools. So where did MCP come from? And why are so many people in the AI space paying attention to it now? MCP was first introduced by Anthropic, the company behind the Claude AI model. But it didn't stay in one corner of the AI world for long. It quickly gained support from big names like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and others who saw its potential. These companies came together to support MCP as an open standard, which means anyone can use it, contribute to it, and build on top of it, kind of like how the internet runs on open protocols that everyone agrees to follow. Now here's where it gets really interesting. MCP makes it possible for AI models to go beyond just responding to text. It allows them to interact with tools like web browsers, calculators, databases, or even APIs from your favorite apps. Imagine asking your AI assistant to summarize a long PDF, look up the latest prices on Amazon, send a Slack message, and update a Google Sheet. And it does all of this in one smooth, accurate response. That's the power of AI combined with MCP. The AI model no longer works in isolation. It becomes an intelligent hub that understands your request and knows which tools to use to complete the task. Another cool part is that MCP doesn't just benefit big companies. Because it's open, even independent developers and small startups can use it to build powerful AI tools without having to reinvent the wheel. Let's also talk about how it works in practice. With MCP, everything is based on structured context. The model receives not just plain text, but rich information about the user, the task, and the available tools, all neatly organized. This helps the model reason better and choose the right steps to take. It's like giving your assistant not just a to-do list, but a clear set of instructions, a toolkit, and access to your calendar, email, and files. Suddenly, it's not just responding, it's acting intelligently. Why should you care? Because in the very near future, tools powered by MCP will be everywhere. In customer support, education, productivity software, healthcare, and even creative work. And if you're a content creator, developer, business owner, or just someone curious about where technology is heading, understanding MCP gives you a serious head start. It's the invisible glue that will help tie AI into every digital experience you use. To sum it up, the Model Context Protocol is a new open standard that lets AI models easily connect with tools, apps, and data. It acts like a universal translator, helping AI understand and work with different systems smoothly, just like how USB made it easy to connect devices. Created by Anthropic and now supported by big names like OpenAI and Google, MCP makes AI more useful and powerful by allowing it to take real actions, not just give text responses. As more developers adopt it, AI will become even more integrated into our daily lives. That's all for this video. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more similar videos. And if you want any particular explanation about other AI-related terms and concepts, write it in the comments down so we might consider it for future videos. Then watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon. See you there.